Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with my Samsung Galaxy Watch Active. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can get back into the smartwatch if for some reason you have forgotten your PIN code or your pattern password on the lock screen. Okay, so in my case I have forgotten my pattern password. I simply cannot remember it. So I'm locked out and I cannot get back into the smartwatch. So if you're facing this problem and you really want to get back into the smartwatch, I'm going to show you what to do right now. Okay, so do bear in mind this is going to wipe the smartwatch totally clean, so just bear that in mind. But the great thing is, who cares? At least we can get back into the watch. Okay, so it's real simple to do. Just follow what I'm about to do right now. So the power button here on the side, this button here, you're just gonna long press on it. Keep it held down until it says rebooting. Now press the two buttons until you see this menu screen. Then go down to where it says recovery and then long press on the power button. Just keep the power button held down. And then it's going to say resetting. So what it's actually doing now, it's wiping the smartwatch totally clean and it's removing the password and everything. So it's going to be like a totally new smartwatch and you will have to go back through the entire whole setup process again, just like the first day when you got the watch and you took it out of the box. So all your apps have been removed. The password locks have been removed. So it's like a totally new smartwatch again. Okay, so as you can see, it's setting up. Okay, so let's go. We're ready to go again. Okay, so from here, guys, you can just set up your smartwatch again, but at least we are back into the watch. Okay, so the watch is now just pairing up. I'll be back once we are in. Okay, so we finished pairing up. So we're just going to go through all that. Okay, so we're back in, guys. And there you have it. So that's how you remove your forgotten password or PIN code on your Samsung Galaxy smartwatch. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. I'm out. Deuces.